Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add pattern border to PNG image in Photoshop. So get started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see add pattern border to PNG image. Now I'm going to the file menu option. Now click. Now firstly insert the PNG image. Now going click from open option. Now find your PNG image. Now select from find. Now select from PNG image. Now click from open option. Now you can see then we show PNG image. Now you're going to the layer option. Now click from mouse right button option. Now click from blending option and add pattern the outline border. Now click from stroke. Now size and fill type. Now color source. Now click from pattern option. Now source from pattern. Now source pattern. Now click OK. That it's. Now you can see add border pattern border to PNG image in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope